Barbados Police Service is continuing its robust investigations into the recent spate of murders and robberies across the island. Over the past several days, a series of strategic operations have been executed, resulting in significant progress. As a direct result of these operations, the Barbados Police Service, in conjunction with the Barbados Defence Force, have successfully seized 4 firearms and a quantity of ammunition. Several individuals are currently in custody and are assisting police with ongoing inquiries related to these seizures. The Barbados Police Service wishes to reassure the public that all available resources are being deployed to address these incidents. We remain committed to working tirelessly to bring this untenable situation to an end and to ensure the safety and security of all residents.